Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of being financially independent and securing your future? You won't believe how easy it'll be to become rich through these 5 steps. Look no further than the legendary investor Charlie Munger. In this video, we will dive into Munger's advice on how to get rich in 5 simple steps by focusing on fishing where the fish are, getting your first $100,000, developing a fetish for stocks, owning equity, and spending less than you earn. Get ready to learn from one of the greatest minds in finance and start building your wealth today. Welcome back to Financial Flipside, your one-stop place for all your financial information and tips. We assist you with personal finance and provide you with all the knowledge regarding financial literacy. To remain up to date and access related videos and content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Who is Charlie Munger? Charlie Munger is an American businessman, investor, and philanthropist. He is best known for his association with Warren Buffett as the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1924, Charlie started his career as a lawyer before taking up investment management. Munger's investment philosophy emphasizes value investing, and he believes that one should focus on long-term investments rather than short-term gains. His approach to investing involves analyzing companies thoroughly before making any decisions. Let's now get into the 5 steps. First step: fish where the fish are. Fish where the fish are is a famous quote by Charlie Munger, referring to investing in areas and industries that have high potential for growth and profitability. In other words, it means identifying opportunities where there is demand or growth potential. To apply this principle to your investment strategy, you need to keep an eye on market trends and stay updated with news related to different industries. This allows you to identify companies that are positioned for success and invest accordingly. For example, if there's a surge in demand for renewable energy sources due to environmental concerns, investing in companies that specialize in solar panels or wind turbines would be wise. Similarly, if the healthcare industry is expected to grow due to an aging population or advancements in medical technology, investing in pharmaceuticals or healthcare providers could prove lucrative. Second step: get your first $100,000. One of Charlie Munger's most famous pieces of advice is to get your first $100,000. This may seem like an arbitrary figure, but it represents a significant milestone in personal finance. It shows that you have the discipline and knowledge to save and invest for the long term. The road to $100,000 starts with saving money. You can't invest what you don't have. Start by tracking your expenses and finding ways to cut back on unnecessary spending. Consider setting up automatic savings transfers each month. Remember that investing takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if your portfolio experiences short-term losses. Focus on the long-term trend instead. Third step: develop a fetish for stocks. Developing a fetish for stocks is what Charlie Munger believes is an essential part of making money through investing. It's not just about buying and selling stocks. It's also about understanding the businesses behind them. To develop a fetish for stocks, you need to start by educating yourself on how the stock market works. Read books, attend seminars, watch videos, anything that can help you understand how the market operates. Once you have a solid foundation of knowledge, start paying attention to individual companies and their financial statements. Look at things like revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels to get an idea of how healthy the company is. Remember that diversification is key when building your stock portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket by investing solely in 1 or 2 companies. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries. Enjoying this video? Like and share it, and consider subscribing for more financial knowledge. Subscribe to stay up to date on the latest finance trends. Then let's get back to what we were discussing. Fourth step: own equity. Owning equity is one of the key ways to get rich through investing. By owning stocks in companies, you have a stake in their success and can benefit from their growth over time. But owning equity doesn't mean just buying any stock that catches your eye. It's important to do your research and choose high-quality companies with strong fundamentals, such as solid financials and experienced management teams. One way to ensure you're investing in quality companies is to look for those with competitive advantages or moats. These could be things like proprietary technology, brand recognition, or economies of scale that make it difficult for competitors to replicate their success. It's crucial not to panic when the markets inevitably experience volatility. Investing should be viewed as a long-term strategy rather than short-term gains or losses. So stay focused on your goals and trust in the power of compounding returns over time. Fifth step: spend less than you earn. One of the most important steps to getting rich is to spend less than you earn. This may seem like common sense, but it's something that many people struggle with. To start off, it's essential to create a budget and stick to it. Be aware of your income and expenses each month, and be honest with yourself about where your money is going. Cut back on unnecessary expenses such as eating out or buying designer clothes. It's also crucial to avoid overspending when you come into some extra cash, such as a bonus at work or an inheritance. Instead of splurging on things you don't need, consider investing the money wisely for long-term financial gain. Charlie Munger's advice on how to get rich in 5 simple steps is not only practical, but also timeless. By focusing on investing in stocks and owning equity, individuals can build wealth over time. However, it all starts with getting your first $100,000 by fishing where the fish are and developing a fetish for stocks. It's important to remember that building wealth takes discipline and patience. Spending less than you earn is key to accumulating capital that can be invested wisely. With hard work and dedication, anyone can follow these principles and achieve financial success. So take a page from Charlie Munger's book and start investing today. Remember to do your research before making any investment decisions. But don't let fear hold you back. With these simple steps, you too can build long-term wealth through smart investments. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Show your support by liking and sharing this video. To stay informed on key financial topics, subscribe to Financial Flipside and switch on notifications so you'll know when new videos go up.